So today we are visiting Dumna Nature Park.
ओ हीरा नहीं हो तो ठीक है,
This is
तेरी
a
नहीं होगी तो
restricted area
मुरमाई मंगा चुमा
because
लगा।
here
तुम्हारी आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो
look
गई
at this.
मुरमई।
अरे मुरमाई तो सिवाय दिखा।
Look, okay, we are going to. Okay, I will show this after back Sangralay. This is Sangralay. I will show you after back. This is the area of Sangralay. Okay, look at this. This is the way of a library. I will show you after a back. This is a tapu. My sister and wife are coming from tapu. Both are enjoying a lot of. This is my sister and wife. My wife taking a picture of our. Look at this beautiful nature and area. Okay, this is so this beautiful nature. Okay, so this beautiful sea here. Okay. Now we are going to another side. We are going to another side. So okay, look at this. Monkey are sleeping. Monkeys are sleeping because one of here.
ये पानी ज़्यादा गहरा होगा ना?
यस
Okay, we are going another side. This is the road of the way of. Look at this dense forest. We are going another side. Here beautiful place to party with friend in the dense forest. See above seaside.
मार वोट दिला ना।
Okay. Okay, this is a station. Train is ready to travel. Okay, now train is start. We are going with the train. Basically, this train is working, but sometime penalty and bells are also sitting.
यार सब लोग शांत हो गए।
Look at this dense forest. This is my sister. Look at this beautiful planet. Some people are sit over it. this train.
देखो क्या है
It is not a very costly. It is very less costly. When I go, I think it is very costly, but it is no cost. 10 rupees per person.
खाना खा रही है
Look, this dense forest.
क्या है बोले क्या है काऊ के साथ कौन है काऊ के साथ कौन है काऊ के साथ कौन है
देख रहे हैं गाड़ी शुरू हो गई है कैसी बात में वो कर रहा हूं
This is my wife. Look at this driver. Look at this forest. Don't see any animal, forest animal. I will show only, sorry, I see only monkeys and deers. Leopard stay here, but I don't see. It is coming here at night, but in the morning there is a walk in the dense forest. So this train outside from outside. Look at this train from outside. Look at this train. Hey, no, 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 no. Don't this. This is my. This is. Oh, sorry. If you free, visit this because here is beautiful nature. Beautiful nature. I don't explain her beauty.
पकड़ पकड़ उठाओ
क्या कर रहा
अरे बहुत पहले 3-4 साल पहले के लिए
Look at this.
क्यों बोलती हो
This is a monkey. A lot of monkey I saw here with our mothers. Small and adult monkeys. he is enjoying with her mother. This monkey go for temple. Okay, we are going to library. Here, books for read, not for sale. If you have enough time, you sit here and read a lot of books. Okay, we are going to Sangrahalaya. I will show you. Look at this. Okay. You can zoom it and read if it if you want to read. If you want to read, this is Tilwara Ghat, I think. I think everyone know this. This is a picture of Bheda Ghat. This is a picture of Dhuadhar Water Park. This is at the temple Tilwara Ghat. Okay. See this beautiful peacock. This is a bird, but I don't her name. I think everyone knows this. This is a forest pig. This is a leopard. Forest deer. Small pieces of rocks. Collected from various
छोटा लगा के वही है
This is
दूसरा है।
okay. We are going to home. Okay, in the parking area, see a beautiful small monkey. Look at this.
चला नो
चलो पकड़ो इसको।